Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Tonight we're here at the Sherman Library and Gardens in Corona Del Mar, California for the Night of 1,000 Lights. Tonight we'll be taking a stroll in the glistening light tunnel, we'll go under the sea in the succulent garden, we'll boogie down in the crystal disco and see other surprises that await us. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down in the corner so you don't miss any upcoming content. So come along with us on this episode of
The Walker Chronicles.
The Night of 1,000 Lights runs on select dates beginning December 10th through December 22nd from 6 to 9 p.m. each night. Ticket prices start at $15 for members and $25 for non-members, and unfortunately at the time of this taping, the event is sold out. No tickets will be sold at the door and additional dates will not be added.
Alright, so right as you walk in, you're immediately greeted with these beautiful hanging lights, snowflakes, looks like snowballs hanging from the ceiling. It's truly, truly beautiful. What a nice, nice entrance here. And then we have Marina.
It's so pretty, like all these white lights and snowflakes and lighted balls. It's a really nice start to the event, so let's see what else they have.
Wow, look at this. Wow. My goodness. They've really upgraded since last year. Wow. These are beautiful. This is so pretty.
All these ribbon swirls. It goes all the way around.
Alright, let's oh, look at the beautiful tree in the middle here. Wow. That is beautiful.
For the North Pole shortly. Train 393 arriving from Melrose on time. Train 393.
Buying some train tickets?
I just missed the train.
Oh, because you didn't have your ticket ready. You're at the ticket window right now.
Train 244 arriving from Midway City. Train 629 from Balboa arriving on time.
Uh-oh. Glasses are for sharing.
Here they are. Let's go check it out. This is trippy. Is this real? Sure like that. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh no, I see fish. But this looks like it's the same kind of fish as what's back here.
Yeah.
Are these? So I can touch this. Okay. These look like I can touch them too. Like.
But they're flat.
They're flat.
No, it is an amazing 3D effect, which I still don't understand exactly how it's functioning.
Is this a real fish or this is flat?
That is sticking out from the wall a little bit.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, Chris, now you have them on. Tell me what you see.
I see everything in 3D. Everything has huge amounts of depth. I'm actually not even sure how this works, and I usually understand this stuff. But that's crazy. That's a crazy effect. Wow.
It's like an underwater thing.
It's amazing.
I literally feel like I'm swimming, like everything is kind of 3D and floaty, and you feel like it's there, but it's not there. Oh my God, look at this. This is so weird. There's like imaginary fish floating over here. This is so weird. I have to take these off to see, wow, what it really looks like. Okay, wow. Those, even though they're on this fence, it looks like they're right here. When you do this, it's like the current of the ocean, just kind of, this is way crazy.
So I know it's really hard to see the effect obviously here on the video, but basically anything that's orange looks like it's sitting about 2 to 3 feet in front of anything else that's out there. And things that are green look like they're sitting back about 3 feet from where they actually are. This is a very, very cool effect. So if you paint everything the right colors, you can create a very cool effect. As you're walking through, it looks like anything that's orange is shifting with you, like you're sitting in the ocean. Yeah, this is definitely a very, very good use of this effect. I mean, definitely one of the best we've seen, obviously, done at any of the other events.
So new this year, they have a taco stand here. Had I known that, I wouldn't have eaten before we came because I love tacos.
Everybody loves tacos, sweetie. Everybody.
So let's go see what they look like.
Chicken, rice, beans, beef. Looks delicious. baby. Look at this, the wishing tree. Everybody's tied their wishes to the tree. Uh-oh. What's Marina writing for her wish?
Good health and prosperity to all our subscribers from the Wax Chronicles.
Yay.
Now let's get it on this tree. All right, Henry. It's him. He's here.
Who's here?
Santa. Santa's here.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
What? He's not over here. He's got to be busy.
He's inside.
No. No. No, he's not.
He is here.
I don't believe you.
It's him. I told you. It's him.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Well, hello.
Hello, Santa.
How are you guys?
Great, how are you?
Good, good. You guys bring the jolly, don't you? I love it.
Absolutely.
You bring the jolly.
Whoa.
Wow.
Well, I'm just reflecting it. That's all. I'm a channel.
Wow.
Look at it. Got that frat squat going on right here. She's got that sorority swoop. Nice. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas. One of our favorite things.
All right, so we just finished up at the Night of 1,000 Lights, and that was a lot of fun.
It absolutely was. Better than I expected, actually. And we enjoyed last year, but this year was even better.
We went last year, and it was great. We had a great time. It was during the time when everyone was doing drive-thrus, and this, because it's a garden, we were able to walk through last year also. I was a little fearful because the trend has kind of been with these events is that they repurpose their displays, kind of go through the same event for a couple years and then they change it up. And that was what I thought we were going to experience with this. And thank goodness that's not what we experienced. From the minute that we walked in, that big tree with those ribbons kind of flowing all around it, the acrobatics that were there, the aerialists, was different than we saw from last year. The train that they did have last year, but it was in a different area. Last year it was really crowded, and this time it was an area all of its own. So they had a lot of things that they completely redid, and everything looked great.
Yeah, they definitely, you can see they went back, took feedback, and decided we're going to make next year's event even better.
Yeah.
And they delivered. Every aspect of it was better.
Yep.
They had s'mores, like you said, the train area. They actually had a full train station. They had audio. It was really, really a good event.
And last year, Santa's Workshop, it was there and there was no Santa. It was just an empty chair. So you were allowed to use it as a photo op. And this year they had a Santa. And he was a really good Santa
They had
too.
A great
Yeah.
Santa. He was fantastic.
So we really enjoyed tonight, and we hope you enjoyed watching. And if you get a chance to get out there, if you have tickets, that's fantastic, but they are sold out, unfortunately. But we had a wonderful time, and we hope you had a wonderful time watching. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps our channel grow. And until next time, we will see you on the next episode of
The Walker Chronicles.